Hey guys, Alan here from StretchSense. In this video, we will be going over our basic retargeting workflow in Unreal using our hand engine LiveLink plugin. This is a simplified, streamlined process that will get you up and running quickly, but we will have a more advanced version covering additional tools in a separate video. Let's get started.
First things first, let's get hand data streaming into Unreal using the LiveLink plugin. Once that's set up, we can set up a new skeletal mesh to show you how our basic remap works. For this, we will use a common Mixamo rig. There will be a rig provided in the Models Mixamo folder. Let's start by creating an animation blueprint from the skeletal mesh. Right-click, Create Anim Blueprint. Open that in the editor. In the animation graph, we are going to add a LiveLink pose node for each hand. Once both nodes have been created, just select the hand in the subject field name of each node. Before the animation will correctly map to this asset, we need to set up a retarget asset. Click on the pose node and choose the pre-made Mixamo left and right retarget asset. Now you've set up another model. The last thing we need to go over is how to make a new retarget asset to match any rig you may want to use. First, let's right click and jump to the existing retarget assets. The easiest way to make a new asset is to duplicate one of these. Now let's open it up and see what we can do with it. To set up this asset, we need to select the appropriate skeletal mesh. This will automatically remap the bones according to whatever naming convention you may have chosen up here. For the Mixamo rig, the Maya convention matches the names of the bones. If your rig doesn't match here, you can select the manual option and directly set the bone names yourself. For some assets, such as the Mixamo rig, the hands are mirrored, and so you may need to select one or more of the invert axis options to get the hands to animate correctly. Now you can just compile and save this. In this case, we will need a separate asset for each hand like how we set up for the Mixamo rig. Note that you can reuse the asset for any rig with the same naming convention. Rigs without mirrored coordinates in the hands can simply use the same retarget asset.
That covers our basic retargeting workflow video, but we will also have a more advanced version where you'll have more control and it will really let you fine-tune your retarget, so make sure to check that video out as well. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support team or you can reach us directly through our Discord channel. Thanks for watching.